Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valheim in VR. First, you will need to prepare your game for modding. Begin by installing the BEP in X-Pack framework, which is essential for the VR mod to function correctly. Next, download the VHVR mod files from a reliable source. Remember to locate your Valheim game's root folder, typically found within your Steam library, as this is where all mod files will be placed. Finally, adjust your Steam settings for Valheim by disabling Desktop Game Theater and Vulkan. Now, let's get the mod installed. Extract all the contents of the BEP in X-Pack directly into your Valheim root folder. Then, unzip the VHVR mod files into that exact same Valheim installation directory. It's a good practice to back up your game files before starting any modding. Once both are in place, make sure Steam VR is running on your system before you launch Valheim to ensure the VR mod activates correctly. With the mod installed, prepare for an immersive experience. You'll play Valheim in full stereoscopic three-dimensional view, bringing the world to life around you. Motion controls are fully supported, allowing you to swing your axe, shoot arrows, and block with your shield naturally. When building, you can rotate pieces precisely using the grip button and joystick on your right controller. This mod transforms Valheim into a truly engaging first-person VR adventure. To ensure the smoothest VR experience, consider optimizing your settings. Disable demanding graphics options such as SSAO, motion blur, and depth of field within the game. Setting your in-game resolution to 1080 pixels can also significantly improve performance. Always minimize any unnecessary background applications to dedicate more resources to Valheim. Remember, this mod is experimental, so be mindful of potential bugs or motion sickness during gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.